So, Paul, do you think we're going to have any more fires in the coming vintage?
It sure seems likely.
Which is exactly why chemistry professor Phil Cruz and his UC Santa Cruz research group teamed up with SC Laboratory to look at the effects that wildfire smoke has on the quality of wine grapes.
How is the smoke going to impact your trajectory from essentially being the grape being created to being converted into wine? And that's the thing I've been worried about for years.
Professor Cruz got the idea about 4 years ago when the Mendocino Complex fire burned in Northern California for more than 3 months. In the 8-month-long study, researchers looked at 250 plus samples from several different types of wine.
The main data set we had were Cabernet Sauvignons, but we tested a wide range, a lot of Pinot Noirs, a lot of white wines. We did some Chardonnays.
The Santa Cruz Mountain Pinot that's suspected to be smoke taint. Give me a sample of that, and give me a bottled sample from the 19 vintage where we know there's no fires.
They prepared a sample of grapes or wine, looked for smoked particles, and created a library for these samples which helped define the different levels of smoke taint within the grape or wine.
And at SC Labs we have the instrumentation that can tell you with great sensitivity how much of these compounds you have, and the amount of the compounds kind of directly correlates to the taste of the wine.
A study that shows vital information that can help winemakers across the country.
Harvesting is going to be expensive. Making the wine is going to be expensive. And then letting it age is going to be expensive as well.
And just knowing whether or not they should move forward in the production is a really important.
Essentially, helping winemakers save a lot of money as wildfire seasons continue to grow in length.